Alright guys, today we are in the Lego Club and see what I got it for you. It's a police rescue truck. It got two exhausts in the back. Yeah, it's got an antenna and a bull rope to rescue the vehicle. Now, this is number one. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? It's a super secret police truck. Now, it got a shield in the front. Yeah, and the truck number is 7630. Let's see how it works. If we can move it side by side. Nice. It is pretty stiffy and stuff. Yeah, pretty stiff, yeah. Still, it's working so nicely. I think we can, next time, what I can do is that we can put the different wheels, maybe with the different, maybe the pushback engine.
Oh, there's a pushback engine over there, Papa.
Yeah, so how you like our new build-up, guys? By the way, we have the shield on it as well.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.